The butterfly twist is one of tricking's core moves and the most basic twist. In any tricking difficulty classification system it would belong in a novice division. It resides with other moves like backflips, 540s, 360 crescents, double legs, and aerials. However, it is of my opinion that this move is the technical bastard of the group. Just start looking around. The butterfly twist is the most varied basic move aesthetically and technically among tricksters, mainly because the simple nature of the execution and the lack of any particular guideline denoting correct or incorrect technique. As a few examples and reminders, ponder the following differences. The differences between a wushu B twist and a trickster B twist. The differences between a B twist and a B twist round. The differences between an immediate terminating B twist and a B twist swinging through to a gainer. The differences between standing B twists from hooks, flagella leg, Manny Brown style, B twists, and B twists with a run up. The differences between ugly aerial twist wannabe B twists, and normal B twists.